Hi, I'm Michael. I'm here to show you how to use UNGER's professional cleaning tools correctly and to answer any questions you may have on topics relating to professional window cleaning. Today, we're talking about the reach of the Ultra Resin Packs in our HydroPower Ultra DI pure water filters. There's one thing that's true for all HydroPower Ultra DI filters. The amount of pure water they produce is dependent on the hardness of the water going into them. The graph below shows the filter range values when using average tap water. The small HydroPower Ultra S DI filter produces 710 litres of pure water for every 6-litre Ultra Resin Pack. This corresponds to a range of approximately 600 square metres surface area, or roughly 6 working hours. The two large DI filters, the HydroPower Ultra L and LC, both hold these 6-litre resin packs, which will produce 2,450 litres of pure water. This is equivalent to a range of approximately 2,000 square metres, or approximately 20 working hours. Good to know. If you use soft water, i.e. water with a TDS value lower than 100 ppm, the pure water output will increase up to triple the amount or more. With very hard water, on the other hand, with a TDS value of over 400 ppm, the pure water output can be more than half. You can find out the hardness of the tap water in your region from the water company, or test it yourself using a TDS meter. By the way, you should only use tap water and not well water, pond water, or anything like that. For further information and more videos about pure water cleaning, head to our YouTube channel. Simply subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications.